As I told you, this is now me from the hiking group. Today we're gonna hike. I'll show you. As I told you, Likidesh. Yeah, let's welcome Likidesh. This is Likidesh. Hi Likidesh. Yeah, as always, he's blue. Okay. As usual, the theme of this is to hike. We'll show you how to climb the buildings, Parkour, and to get escape. Okay. Now we are going to climb the house without the support or anything, without walking through those steps over there. I'll tell you, you can see a gap. This grill, that is over there. Now you can. I'll tell you, I'm not going to do this. I'll do it, but as I'm going to instruct you, look at it. First, you need to climb the grills. Look at that. Just climb the grills. I'll take the support empty. Next, make hold of that thing over there. Then push your body up. Just pull up your hand. Pull it up. And keep your leg. Take the support of your leg. Crawl. Get it. And then you need to crawl over there. Just crawl. Crawl. Get over. Push from the body, leg support, get in, done. Crawl. That's it. It's as simple as okay. Now, as I told you, it's easy step-by-step instruction. Now, how to get down. So you can go by that, not a problem. But as we are in a hiking group, we should always jump. So, look at this. You're going to do that. I'll instruct you. First, take the support over there. Just invert your body. Let it go. Take the same way, get the support. Release. That's it. As you did. Now, I'll get down. That's it for today. I hope you had fun. And we'll be doing more videos next time. Hope you had fun, practice it, enjoy it, like it. Bye.
Of the beginner's level.
So, keep waiting. Bye.